Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter in a manual IP address and have a static IP on your Xbox Series X. So on this screen here, let's go up to the top and go to Settings. Then let's go to General and go to Network Settings. Then go to the right and go to Advanced Settings. Then you can see your IPv4. You want to go ahead and take a picture of your IP address, your subnet mask, and your gateway. Then I want to go to IP settings right here and then go to Manual. Then type in your IPv4 address, your IP address. So mine was like 192. Then I'm going to go to .168. And then it was O. Now for the last numeral right here, we're going to type in something different. So mine was like 2 or something. I'm going to type in like 65. And then press the button with the 3 lines on it. So you just want to go ahead and just change that one a little bit different than what it currently was. Then everything else, you want to look at your picture that you took and just type in everything exactly how it was. So my subnet mask was 255.255.255.0. Then the gateway is going to be pretty much the same thing as well. So let's just type this in. It's going to be like 192.168.0.1. So I'm going to leave that the same. And now I have a static IP address that I manually entered in. So you can see all the information right there. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.